Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I will be showing you how to stop sharing location on iPhone without them knowing. So guys, I will show you two practical ways. So for the first option is you could just simply go ahead and go through your settings. And here guys, you could just simply select the airplane mode, turn it on, and pretty much when you turn it on, it will disable everything, your Wi-Fi, your cellular, and pretty much that is one way. Now, for the second option, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see over here privacy and security. And now over here, you will have an option over here, location services. Go ahead and select that. And pretty much over here, you should be able to see all of your data that you have permission on certain apps. So pretty much you could just simply turn off your location services. And by turning this off, as you can see, for all apps, your personalized location services settings for apps will be temporarily restored if you use Find My iPhone. Just simply turn it off in order for you to proceed this process. And pretty much that is the second way. And that's all you could do from here. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.